I don't know anybody who have started their 2-strand twist with human hair, so I can't even tell you how my ends are gonna lock, if they're gonna lock. I literally have no idea. So this is gonna be a trial for me. Like, hey, beautiful people of the world, it's your girl AReid, and if you're tuning in today, it's because I decided to start my lock journey. So if you are new to this channel, thank you for joining, and if you've been around your girl's page before, welcome back. And just thank you all for watching, really. Typically my page is centered on building a healthier, positive relationship with ourselves, and as I take this walk, along the journey, I just realized like my hair has a lot to do with it. I've never truly committed to my hair ever in life. Like, yeah, I went natural, and like I love the way my hair looks when I shampoo it, but I'm not the type that would wear my natural hair out. That's just not me. So typically my styles would be faux locks, and it would be really, really full, super long. If I did a ponytail, it had to be this big, exaggerated, long ponytail. So this whole journey is super new to me. If you follow my channel, you know that I have a knotless micro twist tutorial that is sister lock inspired. Now the reason why I did that look was because I wanted to just ease myself into a similar style. I really wanted to just get used to seeing myself with hair that wasn't so voluminous and just an overall different look. And I actually love that style. It was so lightweight, super low maintenance, and that also speaks true to how locks can be at times, right? So that was a really good transition. Honestly, had I done that hair with human hair, I would have kept it in and just locked my hair from them, but because it was synthetic hair, I just knew like I had to take it out at some point. So 8 months later, I just decided like, look, this is the time to commit, and here we are. So I'm going to show you what my hair looks like at the moment. I started locking my hair, I started twisting, Lord Jesus. So I started twisting my hair on March 26th, and I finished on April 2nd. So it literally took me 7 days to complete this look. I did it myself, and I love that, right? Like, I love that I created this look for myself, and this is something that is, I'm trying to rock this out forever. So this is what it looks like. I did add extensions to each of them, and I'll show you what that looks like up close, just so that you can get a peek. So I twisted my hair, and then I would just add extensions throughout, and you can see like just the amount of frizz. The frizz I like. I actually cannot wait for these twists to swell because I have a low density and my hair strands are fine. So I'm not into the scalpy look. Now that the front is a week old, it's not as scalpy as it looked when I first did it. However, the back still looks very scalpy to me, and also I understand that the back was done a little bit bigger. So let me just go ahead and show you what that looks like. So that scalpy look is not my style at all. Like, that scalpy look is not my style at all. However, it's a part of the journey. It's a part of the process, right? Like, this is what it is, and I'm committed to it. I'm committed to see how my hair transform. I'm committed to seeing how I feel throughout this journey. Like, if I'm really down for loving myself, I gotta be able to accept how I look at any stage, right? So yeah, I just wanted to hop on, show y'all what this looks like, because you won't see any more, you know, like styles that I would typically have in my videos. And yeah, this is what it is. So I did take out one of them just so that I could demo how to add the extension here. Like, I knew with this transition, I at least wanted, like, if I couldn't get the fullness right away, I at least wanted a little bit of extra length. Oh my goodness, Ash, you gotta find that vibe, girl. You gotta find it. All right, give me one moment. I'm gonna try to find it. I might have to go off camera to find it. I should have, this always happens to me. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, I found it. I'm just gonna move everything out the way. One thing I could say is I feel so free. Like, I feel so free right now. I don't think I've ever felt so free when it comes to my hair. And that is what I am living for in the moment. Like, I just feel so free. And I really do appreciate that. So I'm going to show you the type of hair that I used for the extensions. Model, hot hair, hot human bouquet hair. It only comes in one color, which is natural. The texture is supposed to be 4C, but I really think it's more like a 3. Because my natural hair texture is a 4, and it's kind of loose, but the extension hair is kind of loose, but it still works very well. So this is 1 2-strand twist. This is my hair right here, and I undid it up to a certain point because it just, the way that I did it before just wasn't working well. I was probably getting lazy. So with this one, my hair starts to thin around this area. So right before, like around this area, so right before it starts to thin, I'm just gonna add a little bit of extension. A very, very thin extension, like super thin. Typically, I would go a little bit further down, but I have to speak to like the weak point of my hair. So let me come in close. So what I do is I rest the hair on top of my finger, right? You want to make sure it's close. And I'm gonna do the twisting method. So each side, I'll twist, 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 twisting this side. Now I'm just twisting the extension hair into my hair. I'm not actually crossing them just yet. So now that both sides has been twisted, I'm gonna now twist and turn, twist and turn, twist and turn. I don't know anybody who have started their 2-strand twist with human hair, so I can't even tell you how my ends are gonna lock, if they're gonna lock. I literally have no idea. So this is gonna be a trial for me. Like when I tell you this is gonna be a journey, this is gonna be a journey. So once I feel it getting thinner, I'm gonna take a next strand. Just get that. And again, you wanna make sure it's very, very thin. And I just rest it over my fingertip. And you wanna make sure that they're relatively even. Because I'm not trying to get too much length extension out of this one per se. So I just wanna make sure that they're pretty even, just about. And we're going to, again, just twist the extension into the hair on both sides. And now twist on down. You can see there's frizz coming along. That's great. I like that. I like that personally. And you just work it on down. You just work it on down. And pretty much that's it. Like, it's a very simple concept. However, it is a very tedious process that is time consuming. But again, it just goes back to me committing that time to my hair and just embracing this journey. One side is a little bit longer than the next, but it's okay and it's so fine I can't even borrow hair. So let me show you what that looks like up close. Very seamless. Comes down just about here. We all know it's gonna shrink up. Y'all, it's been a week and my scalp is already itching me. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I spoke to my mom and she was like, yeah, you know, you can't wash your hair for 6 weeks. And I'm like, 6 weeks? No, she said 6 months at first. So I'm like, nah, she had to mean 6 weeks because this joint is crazy. I'm very excited for what it's gonna look like within a year. And I'm gonna keep y'all updated every step of the way. So you'll definitely get another update in 6 weeks regarding what it's looking like before and afters of my first wash. Yeah, I'll definitely keep you posted on this hair journey, and I'm really excited. Again, I just feel so free. I wish I would have did this a long time ago, like a really long time ago. But if you have fine hair, low density hair, or you're just considering locking your hair and don't want to truly commit just yet, or not too sure, I would definitely say check out my knotless micro twist sister lock inspired look, because that is what definitely made me feel more comfortable about this transition, especially considering the way that I used to wear my hair. But the fact of the matter is, I don't even have the desire to wear those styles anymore. I'm just really, I feel just more comfortable with where I'm at right now. And I just feel more comfortable seeing what I see when I look in the mirror. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful to somebody, anybody. Feel free to like this video, share this video, comment down below. Let me know what's your hair density. If you're thinking about locking your hair at some point. If you know anybody who actually started their lock journey with human hair, please let me know that as well, because I would just I kind of just want to get a glimpse of what to expect in some capacity, right? Because everybody's hair is different. My hair is not going to be as full as what you would typically see if you were to Google sister locks, you know, or micro locks. Like, this is not sister locks at all. These are just micro locks. And to be honest, they're not even out right now. Right now, they're just 2-strand twists, okay? And then we're gonna jump the gun. Right now, they're just two-strand twists that we want to lock eventually. So I am okay with my journey. I'm just curious to see like what other people's hair look like. So let me know down below. I'm super excited. Thank you for joining me on this journey. You will definitely see me soon. And thank you for watching. Deuce, y'all.